Solana was lately in this bearish trend, but now we are in this very decisive zone. But will we now finally go to the upside again, or do we see even lower prices? In this video I will talk about Solana, I will analyze the chart, we have a look at the liquidation heat map, and we analyze the open interest and the funding rate. Before we start with the video, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Solana, Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrency. First link in the description. So after the latest all-time high, we then saw this bearish trend for Solana, and now we are in this very interesting zone because we had this latest supply zone right here. We broke it here to the upside, and now we are in this zone again after the latest all-time high. And on the long term, I'm very bullish on Solana. I think it's one of the best projects for this bull run, and I think this zone is very interesting to get into new trades because, as I said, we had this support and resistance area right here. We then had this wicks right here. We perfectly retested it, had this wicks under here. We took the liquidity, and now we are seeing this bullish price action. And for this latest swing, we perfectly retested the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So I think the chances high, if we are seeing bullish price action out of this zone, that we are going to the upside. And if we can also break this downtrend to the upside, that we then go to $243 again, because we also liquidated latest long positions right here, and we have new liquidity over $230 to $240. So from the liquidity, the market have the reason to go into these areas again, and then we would break this downtrend to the upside again. And also the funding rate is very low, so this is a very nice indicator. So we have a lot of space to the upside again, and also the open interest is not too high. So these are all indicators that we are seeing higher prices for Solana again. And if we compare Solana to Ethereum, we saw this latest downwards move for Solana. So now not everybody is so bullish, and then often the chances high that the prices for the altcoins will rise again. So for me, this zone is very decisive. If we can hold this one, find support, then I think the chances high that we go to the upside again from this zone. And if we are breaking this one with bearish momentum, then I think the chances high that we go to $178 or $163 again. But I personally think the chances high that we will see higher prices. I think it's a great chance to get into spot positions right here or medium to long-term leverage trades. If we are seeing bullish price action, then we have to see how we react at this zone right here. If we can break this one, then I think the next very interesting zone are the $243. If we can break this one, then we have the latest all-time high, of course. And if we can break the all-time high again, then we have the $304 as next price target. And if we are seeing a real bullish price discovery, then we could also go to $370 in a quick time. And if you want to trade Solana, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with my link, you get 20% trading free rebate on top. So all in all, I'm really bullish on Solana, and I think this area will decide if we're going to the upside again or not. I think the chances higher that we can go to the upside again, and then we have this bearish trend that we have to break to the upside, and then I think the chances high that we could see new all-time highs in the near future. And if we're seeing a pullback under this zone, then I think the chances high that we will see a bigger crash. But as I said, I'm more on the bullish side on Solana. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.